Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to transcribe audio to text in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and open up Word now. This is super useful to do. You may go and have an audio file or a video file, or in fact you may not even have recorded it yet. What you need to do is go to the top of Word into the Home tab. Like so. Go over to the rights and you need to find the option for voice in this section, and then go and click on the arrow in the dictate and go and click on transcribe. We'll then go and get this pop up over to the right here. So first of all, go and choose the language. We can then click on upload audio. If you already have audio, that can be an audio file or a video, as I said. Read, and if you want to, you can click on start recording as well and start now. In this case I've already got audio, so I can click on the upload. I can then select it and click on open. Now it's going to go and start. As you can see, it's now gone and done it, or you can see the text here. If you see any errors, you can click on the edit button and you can edit it, and then when you want to you can click on add the document in the bottom right, and I'm going to click on just text, and there we go. It's now been added. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.